These are the high protein crisps that I picked up from the Amazon team. There is different varieties of flavours in the box. I went for this one. So this one's got 4 different flavours in it. I've got the cheddar cheese, the barbecue, Thai sweet chili, and your classic salt and vinegar. But they do have other flavours as well. These are like 25-gram portions, so they're exactly the same as you get for your standard crisp. So you're not missing out on not getting a big brown crisp. About 90 to 100 calories per packet, so pretty low. Just 2.8 carbs, 5 grams of fibre, amazing, and about 11 grams of protein. So they're hitting all your goals. But do they taste nice? What are they like? I had a pack of these yesterday. I've had them before. They're really nice. These are like triangular shapes. So if you're having maybe a chili, something like that, these are going to be perfect. Salt and vinegar, really flavourful, really nice, perfect for your lunchbox. If you like your cheesy crisps, you're going to love these. Probably my favourite is the barbecue. Really tasty, really nice depth of flavour. Let's take a look, just for science. So there, you get a standard amount of crisps that you get in any packet. And there you go. Look like a crisp, crunch like a crisp. Absolutely tons of flavour. It's probably why I like these, because they're very flavoursome. But yeah, these are going to be perfect. Maybe you have a nice bowl of chilli, stew, casserole, you want something to dip in it. Something for your lunchbox, a little cheeky snack. With all that protein, all that fibre, low calorie. I think these are a really great choice, and I really recommend them.